Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Thoughts on Education. Through this, we bridge the gap between top management and the students and help the student to take a better decision for the colleges. So today we have Dr. Divya Saxena from Guru Nanak Dev Dental College. Ma'am, I'll request you to please give a brief about your experience so that audience can know it.
Okay. Thank you, Amit, for the invitation first. Hi, friends. I'm Dr. Divya Saxena. Currently, I'm working as a professor in Guru Nanak Dev Dental College, Sunam. It's been a journey of 11 years, approximately, that I've been working here as a faculty member. Also, I've done my graduation from this college. So, it is a personal attachment with this college, and it is just like my extended family. Over to Amit.
So we shall start with a few set of questions through which we will try to address the students. So I'll begin with the first question, ma'am. Ma'am, just to know, what
Okay.
do you think about how the COVID-19 has hit the education industry?
COVID-19 has definitely affected every industry, I think in particular. But it was a time of pandemic, means everyone was at home. So it was a different experience for everyone. Okay. Some of the people who were at home, they lost one of their known members or family members. It was a nightmare for them also. But there were certain people who were united with their families because of this pandemic. So it was a boon for them. But particularly talking about education industry, if I say, the process of digitalization from offline to online that speeded up during the pandemic time. Means it was like means in the lecture theater we used to say ask the people, can you listen me? So from can you listen me to are you listening or can you hear me? So the process of digitalization has fastened up. Okay. So first thing is that the people during pandemic they were so engrossed with the technology. Those people who were tech friendly, it was an easy time for them. But those people, like some of my senior colleagues, who were not so adjunct with the technology, it was a difficult time for them. Okay, and the education industry, it has suffered because we're definitely dentistry is not the subject which can be taught online.
Okay, moving ahead. Like ma'am, being a professor, what is your philosophy of learning, and how would you desire your teaching style?
Okay. Uh, Teaching, we know Amit, teaching is a noble profession. So definitely one who loves teaching should be in this. Okay, because you got to know a lot of people in this. There are students with you, and sometimes I listen these words nowadays कि आजकल तो बच्चे पढ़ते नहीं है, बच्चों का ध्यान नहीं है पढ़ाई में या बच्चे वो वाले टाइप के बच्चे नहीं रहे. So I don't understand that thing. Means I think in every batch there are good students and there are hardworking students. So my philosophy is I take classes for those hardworking. Even they are few, but yes, they are in every batch. And I go for teaching to those students.
Okay, ma'am. So moving ahead, ma'am, what are the career benefits that after pursuing the different courses from your department that the student gets?
Okay. First of all, I would like to tell my students that I am teaching as professor in the Department of Odontology in Guru Nanak Dev Dental College. I started my career in 2011 as senior lecturer. Okay. Then I was promoted as leader in 2015. Then as professor in 2020. Okay. There are many undergraduates and postgraduate students who have learned under me. And I must say there are a lot of career options in dentistry. Now the time is being earlier we used to say that specialization was not the cup of choice for everyone. Okay, even the patients also, they used to go, they think that BDS and MBS is same. But now the time is changing. Everyone know what is the importance of specialization. Okay, so the career options, there are a lot of career options both in abroad and in India. Now talking about abroad, many of my PG students, they have after completing their graduation or post graduation from this college, they have gone abroad. They have completed their DDS and they are practicing very good, and they are earning handsome amount also. Okay, one of my recent students is she was of 2018 batch, Dr. Divya Saxena. She has been selected for a DDS program in Loma Linda University, California. So she is doing DDS there. So there are a lot of options in abroad. Now talking about India. In India you have career options both. You can choose clinics also, you can choose academics also. Now talking about clinics, everyone means now they want that they should have a lavish setup. Okay, so it is a big news for them because now is the time of specialization. Okay, people understand what a specialist means. Okay, so definitely after doing graduation or post graduation, the students can open their clinics, they can open their gum centers, implant centers, and they can do wonders in dentistry. And even if they don't want to set up their own clinic due to some issues like financial issues, they can definitely go for academics. Okay. Now, at present, if I say, many of my seniors or many of my colleagues, they have reached highest positions in academics, like principal also. Okay. So there's a lot of options, but the only thing is you have to explore those options.
Okay, ma'am. So moving ahead, ma'am, as you mentioned that you have gained experience of 11 years. So like I just
Yeah.
wanted to know that using the immense knowledge and the experience that you have gained over the decades, and being an integral part of the college, so member of the institute, how do you plan things like?
Yeah. Planning things, actually it comes with time. Means everything is related to time. Okay, you have those 24 hours. Means even a student also has 24 hours, even a teacher has 24 hours. So you have to manage that time. Obviously that learning is never complete. Okay, you have to gain learning with time, and experience is definitely an edge. Okay, so I think that with time you got to know everything. Means go on your path, do hard work, and means feel comfortable in whatever environment you are. Grab that environment, means absorb yourself in that environment. Then only you can grow in that environment. Okay, so every student means comes to Sunam, means the students which come to me. Okay, I used to tell them that grow yourself, means develop yourself as an individual. Okay, means in graduation you are coming from your parents to hostel time. Okay, where you are growing yourself, you are changing. Okay, so it means you have to evolve yourself as an individual so that you can study, you can become a good professional, good dental professional. Okay, so to ease that thing, we have introduced a mentor and mentee program in our college. Okay, in that what we do, every student, okay, say in BTS, every student is allotted one mentor. Okay, and that mentor will solve all the problems which the student is facing during his curriculum, during his academics, or during his personal life also. Okay, so that is one-to-one relationship with the student, so that the child do not feel that he is away from home. They feel comfortable. They can ask us. They can share their problems, and most of the time those problems are also solved.
That's really great that this initiative have been taken in the college. Now moving
Yes.
ahead, like just what's the extracurricular activity that carries on a college for the student interaction and everything?
Okay. See, I mean, our college believes that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. That's an old saying, and that still holds its importance in today's day. And on working on that principle only, we have introduced many things for the students. They have in-campus facilities for all the indoor and outdoor sports. Outdoor sports include badminton, volleyball, cricket, table tennis. Okay, indoor sports we have carom, chess. Okay, and other sports also for the students. Okay, then in extracurricular activities, every year we have arranged a religious function for the students. It's not only that they have to be in sports day also. They have religious functions like we always arrange Jagran, okay, during the Navratras. Then we have Ramayan Part or Sukhmani Sahib Part. According to children's wishes, we arrange them in their hostels so that they can take a break from their monotonous routine and they can feel connected with the other part of the world also. And also apart from that, we have functions, means we have a dedicated time for fresher party for the students, sports day for the students, where they can, apart from sports, they can take part in very fun-filled activities like debate, mehndi competition, best out of waste competition, rangoli competition. That brings out creativity in these children. Okay, and also we got to know that how much creative is our student.
That's really great, ma'am. So, ma'am, any suggestions like you would like to give the current youth and these aspiring students?
Yes, definitely, definitely. Amit, I feel that today's youth, they have an immense potential. Okay, I used to give an example that these students, they are basically a nanochip, okay, which are preloaded with the many things which we don't know when we were at their age. Okay, so these students, they have immense potential. Okay, but only thing is, which I feel is that they are not focused. Okay, because obviously they have lot of distractions like mobile all the time in their hands. It is a big distraction. Okay, so means I say to my youth that means focus yourself. Okay, you should know what you want to achieve in life. Okay, then work for it. Okay, and use technology in a healthy way. Means it should not hamper your growth. It should rather help in your growth. Okay, be social. Means there's no harm in using Facebook, Insta, Messenger, or anything else. But you should know what is happening around yourself also. Okay, means there are certain people around you which may need your help at that time. But you should not be engaged in technology only. Means on technology you are so much religious person, you are so much dedicated person who are engaging donations. But around you, if some poor person need you, you're not helping them. Then that's not the point. Okay. So I will say to my youth that be confident. You're already very confident in what you are doing, but be confident in what you do and focus in life. Okay. Dream yourself after 10 years, what will you be? Okay. See yourself at that position. Okay. Means first make a dream, then make a flow chart. How will you reach that dream? Okay. Then execute it. Okay. And do your hard work. Do your best to reach to that dream. Okay. That is the only thing.
That's great, ma'am, for the inputs. I would like to extend the vote of thanks from the College Dunya team for coming on this platform
Thank
on
you.
sponsored education and giving your time. And
Thank you so much.
will help students, and we'll see again for the forward connections.
Definitely, Amit, definitely. I feel that my students means they are brilliant, okay? And I wish them all the best. I welcome the students who want to do BDS or MDS in my college. Definitely, they will get a very welcoming atmosphere and very positive atmosphere for their growth in our college. And we wish to see them as your budding professionals in their life.